In this example, I will calculate the value of expense, save and total amount. Smith has total amount $4,520. He spends 40% from his total amount and saves 60%. Find the value of amounts he spends and saves. In this cell, I have entered total amount of Smith $4,520. In this cell, I have entered expense amount rate 40%. In this cell, I have entered save amount rate 60%. To calculate expense amount of Smith, active cell reference C12, enter equal sign, multiply total amount value and expense amount rate value. Click cell reference C8, enter multiplication operator, click cell reference C9, press enter key. Excel returns expense amount in this cell $1,808 in this cell. So Smith spends $1,808 from his total amount with 40% rate. 40% rate of expense amount from total amount is $1,808. To calculate save amount from total amount, active cell reference C13. Enter equal sign, multiply the value of total amount with the value of save amount rate. Click cell reference C8, enter multiplication operator, click cell reference C10, press enter key. Excel returns save amount $2,712 in this cell. Smith saves $2,712 from his total amount. He spends $1,808 and he saves $2,712 from his total amount $4,520. To verify the calculation in cell reference C12 and cell reference C13, add expense amount value and save amount value. If the sum of these two cells' values is equal to value of total amount value, the calculation is correct in cell reference C12 and cell reference C13. Active cell reference C14, enter equal sign, select the value of expense amount, enter addition operator, select the value of save amount, press enter key. You have same values in cell reference C8 and cell reference C14. So the values calculated in cell reference C12 and cell reference C13 are correct. If you want to return back expense amount rate, divide the value of total amount by the value of expense amount. Then convert the result in percentage format. You will have expense amount rate 40%. Similarly, If you want to return back save amount rate, divide the value of total amount by the value of save amount. Then convert the result in percentage format. You will have save amount rate 60%.